Welcome, in front of me is a Poco C65 and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. One of those should be a power saving mode. If it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. Now for me, the toggle is located on the second page right over here. Once you see it, simply press on it. It gives you this pop-up, I guess just a notification, so turn on battery saver. So that's about it. Now, there is no info on what changes will happen with this being enabled, so I'm just gonna kind of give you a bit of a tip. If you experience that your notifications are being delayed in delivery or just not being delivered at all to you, this is most likely to do with the power saving mode. So just wanted to let people know if you have a problem with this. In any case, once you're done with the power saving mode and you want to turn it off, find the toggle once again and you can simply tap on it once more to turn it off. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.